so today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy balloon column. What you will need: balloons. I purchased these actually in a pack for $1 at Walmart. I have some balloon ribbon. You can use fishing wire or whatever type of wire you choose. And then I have a balloon pump. And this balloon pump is from the company Likey. And it's so cute, you guys. So I'm gonna put a link in the description box below showing you where you can purchase this balloon pump. First of all, it has 2 packs of balloon tape. I'll also link a video of me showing you how to make a balloon arch with balloon tape in the description box down below. But it comes with 2 rolls of balloon tape, 2 rolls of balloon glue, and the glue is just like a little glue circle that you can use to glue smaller balloons in the spaces on your balloon arch or your balloon column or your balloon arrangement. Whatever you're doing, you can use the balloon glue to attach smaller balloons. So that's awesome. And then it also even gives you 2 balloon tires. So it helps to easily facilitate the tying of balloons. And the main thing, of course, that you get which is so cute. Look at this, you guys. Look at this balloon pump. It's shaped like a cute little pig. So I thought it was so cute and adorable. The company wanted me to give it a try, so I said, of course, why not? Don't let the little cute pig shape fool you. This pump is powerful, and you will see that shortly. So I'll put a link in the description box, and I'll also put a promo code so that you guys can get a percentage off of your purchase. So look for that down in the description box. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This is quick and easy, so it won't take much time at all. The amount of balloons you need depends on how big you're going to make your column. I'm only going to use 16 balloons just to make a short little column, just to show you, but you can definitely do more or less. I have 16 of the balloons in the color scheme that I want, but then I also have 2 more balloons that I'm going to fill with either water or sand. I prefer sand just because it's not as messy as water. If the balloon pops and it spills, you don't want water all over the floor. All right, so I filled 2 balloons with a small amount of water. Again, I prefer sand, but I'm just going to use water for now. And then what you're going to do is just tie the balloons into knots. This is going to serve as like your weight. So you could actually use a balloon weight if you want to. If you don't want to use any of your balloons, you can use like a rock or any type of little weight to serve to keep your column in place. That's all you need. So we have our weight, and what we're going to do is inflate our balloon. The colors I'm using are purple, white, and pink. One level is 4 balloons. If you want to do 4 different colors, then that's completely up to you, but I'm going to do 3 colors. So I'm going to do purple and pink and purple and white. And if you want your column, if you want the color in your column to like spiral around, then make sure you keep the same colors together. If you don't care, then just go for it. So we're going to inflate 2 balloons. Just like that. And then we're going to tie the balloons together. Now you can tie the balloons together with the balloon tire. I do use it when I'm using the balloon tape. Since I'm making a balloon column, I'm actually going to just tie the balloons together. Just like this. And we'll set that to the side. So next we will do purple and white. Just like that. And then you're going to place them inside each other just like that. And then you're going to twist. Just like that. So this is what I consider one level. You see it has the 4 colors. So the colors are going to spiral up and around from these 4 colors. So I'm going to keep the balloons in this pattern, and then I'm just going to rotate it each time. So I'm going to blow up all the balloons and put them in sets of 4 just like this, and then we'll start connecting them all together. your purple and white and your purple and pink, you're going to place one inside the other, just like this, and rotate it. Just like that. So, you see, each column is going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to make 2 more groups of 4, just like these, and then we'll start to place them together. Alright, so once you get all of your balloons blown up and in sets of 4, you can go ahead and take your weight and take your balloon ribbon and just tie it in a knot around your weight. Again, you can use whatever you choose as a weight. It's completely up to you. And just take your first set of balloons, place it down, and I like to make an 8 shape. So here, just like you're drawing the number 8. And then I do this around all of the balloons and then tug it ever so often. So you have the next set of 4, but instead of placing them directly on top of one another, you're going to rotate it one time so that the colors will spiral as it goes up. Now, if you want to keep them like this, you can definitely do it. And then we're just going to connect the balloons together, just like this. And you just keep going for as tall as you'd like it to be. Again, I like to spiral it, but you can keep it straight if you'd like. Completely up to you. And just make sure you loop it together and tug ever so often. As you can see, it's starting to look so cute. And this is what I'm talking about with the balloon glue. Some people like to place little balloons inside the column. So say you have a space right here, you can take a dot of the balloon glue, place it right there on that balloon, and then attach a smaller balloon right in that space. So it's completely up to you. But once you are done, like I said, this is just a small column. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. If you want to make it from the floor to the ceiling, you can definitely do that. Just know that you'll need 4 balloons in each level. This is only 16 balloons, but you see it's quick and easy to do. Then I'm just going to cut the ribbon. When you get to the end, you have several options in case you say you have a big bouquet of flowers you want to add to the top, or say you have one more balloon you want to top it off with. You can even add flowers. You can make a pretty bouquet of flowers and place that on top. And the flowers can also go, you don't always have to fill in the spaces with balloons. You can fill in these empty spaces with flowers. So just have fun with it. Make it your own. If it's a 5th birthday party, you can put a giant number 5. So personalize it to fit your theme and do exactly what you want with it. So since I blew up one more balloon just to top it off, I'm going to show you how I use the balloon tire. So you just place it on your fingers, place the balloon here, and you just wrap it around just like that, and then you pull it through just like that. So that's an easy way to tie it, especially if you have to tie a bunch of balloons. Your fingers may get tired if you have to tie them by hand several times. So that's an easy way to do it. Then you just take the balloon and we are going to tie it to the top of our column. Again, this can be 4, 5, 10 balloons. Completely up to you. You can even add a bow on top of the balloon. You can still add in flowers if you'd like all the way around this balloon.